Hi, game design students. Sorry, I was a little bit distracted, but we're going to take a look at your next activity. I don't know why it's called Activity 3, because there's only 2 of them, but it's this one. You are going to be doing a little research today as we let it reload. And your topic is, how does game design, or gaming in particular, affect society? You could be turning in just one Google Doc, depending on how you decide to present your findings. But you're going to start with step 1, research. So you're going to do some research on topics that interest you about gaming and society as a whole. So not necessarily you as an individual. Look for subtopics that are interesting to you. Could be culture, social behavior, physical behavior, cognitive abilities, and you will need to identify 3 subtopics that interest you. So I just opened a Google tab, and as soon as I type in how does gaming, I get all these different options here. So maybe how does gaming affect the brain, mental health, stress? How does it help stress? How does it help eye coordination? Um, Now, if I type in the word affect. Now I'm going to get a few other things. Social skills. How does gaming affect kids? How does gaming affect sleep? So your first step is choosing 3 topics. So you're going to choose 3 topics and do a little research and reading about them. Um, you're going to list some questions that you are curious about related to those 3 topics. So 3 topics, questions. Then you're going to do some more research, seeing if you can answer your questions and take notes. So as you're researching, you're going to be taking notes on those 3 topics that you initially decided on. Next, you're going to choose one of those 3 topics, the one that you feel really affects society in general, more so than the individual. You're going to continue in that same Google Doc, but you're going to have a new section that says, what is your main topic? And why did you feel that was the strongest or most impactful topic? Then you're going to decide how you're going to present. It could be within your Google Doc, could be written in essay form, paragraph form, presenting your findings. Um, you could do a PowerPoint, you could do an infographic, you could do an audio. However you choose to present. You could work within Canva, you could do a video, whatever is best for presenting. No matter how you present, it should be clear which of all those topics did you choose, why it strongly connects with gaming and society, facts that you learned and how it impacts society, and finally, how could game designers consider what you discovered as they're designing games, being a help to society. Um, Make sure you're including your sources of information in your Google Doc, like where did you get your resources from? Um, for example, let's just check mine. How does gaming addiction, how does excessive gaming, wow, that's a lot. Um, so notice when you do your Google search, you're going to get an AI overview, but then some of the good stuff, you're going to want to scroll down below. And I want you to notice that if you're looking at a site that's excuse me, that's .gov, you're looking at a reputable site. That's a government site. Um, .com or .org sites, Mayo, this is a reputable source. If you get a .com source, um, .coms can be written by anyone. So I would really take a look at your endings and where are they coming from, brainandlife.org. So there's a whole lot of different articles here to take a look at. So spend some time doing some research, note your research, choose your topic, choose how you're going to present it. So you're going to submit your research doc and your final presentation, and that's all. I hope you find some really interesting topics to research, and it'd be nice if we could talk about it in class. Have a great day.